Good morning everyone, respected principal sir, teacher and my dear friends. Today we gather here to celebrate the 76th Republic Day of the India, a day of pride, unity and remembrance. On this very day in 1950, our constitution came into force, transforming India into a sovereign, socialist, secular and democratic republic. This remarkable document carved on leadership of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar more than a legal framework. It represents the values of justice, equality, liberty and fraternity that unite our diverse nation. Republic Day reminds us of the sacrifice made by our freedom fighter and this vision of those who spared our country. It is also a time to reflect on our responsibility as citizens, to uphold these principles and work towards a stronger, more inclusive India. Let us pledge to honor our constitution and make our country with our action. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय जगन्नाथ.